Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw Superman. So I'm going to do Superman in a very fun way, because I think that really makes the artwork, well, it makes it really shine through as something cool. So here, if you draw as much structure behind it, like a certain amount, it starts to look really good. So now I want this to be the same height. Right there. Let me move this up a little. Okay. So this would be where from the head to the lower part of the torso is the height of the legs. Now that doesn't include the feet. The feet, in this case, I'm going to have the foot hanging down. The knees halfway, foot hanging down. I'm going to have this foot, this leg and coming out and down, and this foot here. There we go. And this elbow is going to be right where the rib cage is. Okay. And this is going to be in thirds, and a little bit higher for here. You'll see in a minute what I do with that. Alright, so then I start to fill in the arms. Muscles. And today I'm using Faber-Castell pencils, by the way. They're really good. Even the classic is pretty good. So, yep, okay. You want to make sure you put the curves of the muscles in there, because that makes them less like tubes, you know. You want it to look real, like their muscles, like their actual legs, and the muscles on that are higher or bigger, including on the arms. This is looking pretty good. Okay, and now we're going to do the cape. Have it swinging out like so. Curling a little. Like that. Gives it some more dimensionality. I noticed that Faber-Castell pencils can also be erased pretty well, so let's get this one more centered. Okay, here we go. I'm going to erase some of these construction lines. Just hold on a moment here. I'm going to make sure I get the muscles in. Pectorials and the abs, and where the belt's going to go before doing erasing. Okay. this is a good time to put in the eyes and the eyebrows and the nose and the mouth. And this is kind of an S here for the hair, ears. And there's actually like a split in the hair sometimes here. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. He's got some lines here because he's chiseled jaws. He's got. So here it goes down to his ears. Alright, I'm probably whispering too quietly for you to hear me. I was saying his hair goes down to his ears. He's got a split there. And his curly Q sometimes looks like an S, which is cool because he's Superman. Alright, let's put the shield on his chest. And let's put his boots on. Alright. He's looking pretty good here. You put a little lines over the others, like some overlap. It adds some dimensionality to it. Like these forearms are a little in front of the biceps. Alright, there's a little bit more construction lines I didn't get. He's already looking pretty good. Now let's color him in with my Faber-Castell pencils. So here we go. You can darken, you can press a little harder, you can make them darker. It's another good thing about some pencils have that kind of versatility. I really like working with Faber-Castell because it's so smooth. And these are not even the premium, this is just their classic. It's still good. So, a little tip there. I think the pencils do make a difference because some of the other ones are just kind of pale. Like all their colors are kind of pale in appearance. They don't have like that strong pigment. You know, Superman's one of my favorite characters. He's got so many powers. He's almost like a one-man army. Like a one-man superhero team. He's got his heat vision, his X-ray vision. He's got his super strength, super speed. He's impervious to a lot of things. And of course he can fly. So, he's got like 9 powers or something like that. It's crazy. Let's see. Oh. I'm gonna give him the S. It's a red S. It's a little wide in the middle. A little red on the outer edge. It kind of connects it all. And the rest of the shield is yellow underneath. Let's add some yellow in here already. He's got his strongman shorts. Not all power lifters wear. Showing off his strength. I know that there's versions of him where he doesn't wear this, but the classic version has this on him and stuff, so I like it. Alright, let's get some of this blue in here. Look at that. Layers down real easy. Alright. Now you can darken the edges too to add some dimensionality, give it some more 3D qualities. And you can do that just by pushing a little harder when it comes to these kind of pencils, which is nice. Right? I think some of his neck shows, so I'm gonna make sure I got that. And he's got thumbs on his hands. Really, it's important to put the thumb there. It really tells you, hey, this is a hand. All right. Okay. No smudging on here. Let's brush this away. Now my Faber-Castell does not have my set. It's small, so it doesn't have skin color. But this is a Master's Touch pencil, and it's apricot, and it seems to be very much like skin color, so go ahead and put that in there. It's pretty quick. And I can't forget the red on this part of the cape here. And I think I'm going to call this done. Yep. Let me make it a little darker actually up here. Alright. And that's Superman. I hope you have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and share. There you go. Bye.